Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own sticker in Infinix Note 40 device. So for this feature guys, first of all, go to setting and then scroll so that we have an option of special function. Just tap on special function guys, then go to smart panel. In this section, we have more features. Just tap to more features and here we have sticker maker. So just tap on a sticker maker. We can use these sticker also, but if you want to create your own, so all you guys have to do just click to create your own sticker and then click open gallery. Okay, I am using this lady, so all you guys have to do just click to cutout and then draw the cutout like this. After that guys, just click to okay and we can add a text here like hello, and in the dark color we can use it blue color. We will set here and then click. So as you see, this is a sticker now and we can add it to WhatsApp. But make sure you have a WhatsApp installed in your mobile phone. So that's how we can create our own sticker in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.